Welcome guys, today it's Wednesday and on today's video we are going to unboxing this package and see what it's contained. And we do it after this message. Welcome back guys. Today we are going to unbox this package and we get into this now, shall we? Let's see if we can open this. I hope that. I think we should be careful when we open this. You never know what's inside. But we see what it is inside. We have to cut it. Find the right spot to cut it here. So here we are. And what do we have in this box, guys? What do we have in this box? That was nothing much in this box, except for another box. And this one is an Omron RS1 blood pressure monitor. And you use this on your wrist. I ordered this from Amazon because my dog recommended this brand. And let's see how this beautiful, wonderful thing looks like when we get this out of the box. Some important papers and more papers on different languages, of course, probably the manual. And we have it wrapped in bubble wrap to protect it, which is a good idea. So let's see if we can find where. Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. And remember, this is not a review, it's just an unboxing video. So I will do another video on this when I have used this for a while. And I think I dropped the batteries. Excuse me. Okay guys, here it is. And here is the batteries. These are probably AAA's, good. And this cuff here is for your wrist. And you have a start and stop button here. You have something they call SIS. I have no idea what that is. And DIA, and even your pulse. So I needed this one, and this cost me 322 crowns. So I believe it's around $30 for one of these. And my doc recommended Omron because he said it's a good brand and reliable. So I hope my doc is right about that. So, and you have, I don't know if you can see this, but you have these pictures on how to do it and not to do it. You don't have your arm like that, not that. You have your arm like that. because that is the proper and correct way to do it. So guys, give me some comments on what you think about this blood pressure monitor. And that's it for me, guys. I'm jumping out. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and ring the bell so you get notified when I get my videos uploaded, new videos uploaded, and when I go live. And thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. I will see you guys in the next one. ShadowScoutSwede out.